Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove wine stains with baking soda. Baking soda can effectively lift stains because it's slightly alkaline and abrasive. When combined with water, it forms a gentle cleaning paste that is an affordable treatment for removing wine stains. Baking soda is safe for use on both carpet and clothing.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The salt trick, especially good for carpets and rugs. As soon as you stain your carpet with red wine, blot as much of it as you can with a paper towel, and then cover the entire stain with salt until you can't see the red wine stain anymore. Let the salt soak into the wet stain and then dry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.